Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary, Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is There's a Card Thursday. And I want to show you the card I'm doing. Now, I know some of this you may not be able to see well, but I showed you guys this in Tips and Techniques Tuesday. This is the red velvet, it's red velvet paper. It is beautiful. I didn't get it until last week. And now I'm ordered another one. So, God, I really wish you could see this. The red velvet itself is just beautiful. You could stamp on it. You can, what I did was use the winter snow embossing folder and embossed it. And it is just super. So I want to show you how to do this quick and easy card. Realistically, I've got Snowflake wishes. I'm using Snowflake wishes. You can use anything you want, but I'm probably going to do one of these cards or a similar card for our Stamp a Month Club, because the Snowflake Wishes is what the stamps that we're using. So for this card, what I'm using is Snowflake Wishes, Stays On. I'm using an 8.5 by 5.5 piece of Sierra Sand. Now, this is usually not my color to go to, but honestly, when I was designing this card, I wanted to use some of the classic Christmas stamp designer series paper that comes with the Curvy Celebrations. I actually had one planned out with the Curvy Celebrations stuff, and I wanted to use that, the red velvet. Well, after I saw the red velvet, I couldn't put other things on top of that paper. So I honestly, one of the ones that goes with that classic Christmas is Sierra Sand. So I'm using Sierra Sand. I'm using a 5.25 by 4-inch piece of red velvet. I am also using, and where is it? A piece of vellum, 3.5 by 1 inch. I am also using the Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, and I know it's around here. I'm using the, or I have used, oh, there it is, the winter snow embossing folder, and I'm using glue dots, and that's it. I have already ran this through the embossing folder in the Stampin' Cut machine. And I just love it. You really, really need to look at this in person. I mean, you'll just go, ugh, you'll drop dead. So I am just going to attach this onto the Sierra Sand. I just think this is the best thing since sliced bread. I mean, I hope it comes back in the June to January, or January to June catalog for Valentine's Day, because I'd love to see hearts embossed on this. So then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the Snowflake Wishes. It says Snowflake Wishes for a Merry Christmas, and I'm just going to ink that up because I'm doing it on vellum. I'm going to ink that up with Stays On. Now, you could ink it up and then emboss it, and I may do that for the class. And then I'm just, oh, I love that smell of Stays On. And I'm just going to slowly peel this off. And then you want to be careful because this is going to be wet for a while. So you're either going to have to set it out to dry for a bit, or be very careful not to smear it when you put your glue dots on. The glue dots do show up because I'm using them in the corners. I'm not hiding them, so they will show up. You could use vellum tape. I just don't find vellum tape any better than glue dots. Vellum tape still, you can see the vellum. You can see that tape. So I am just putting that there. One of the other things you could do is you could just find a punch and punch this out, or use one of the die cuts and cut that out. But that's it. And I tell you, this velvet, I did not want it, wasn't going to get it, and then I just needed to order something the other day for an order to bring it up, so I ordered it, and I really wish now that I had ordered it before. I think I'm going to be doing a lot of stuff with it. You only get 2 pieces, that's why I ordered another set. So anyhow, thanks for visiting. Oh, remember to follow me on YouTube. Everything you need to make this card is listed below. Bye-bye.